Welcome to our kitchen oasis. Today I'm going to show you how to make profiteroles in 4 ways. These are the variation of the cream puffs. First, you make toffee. Sugar in a small heavy-based saucepan and add small amount of water. This water helps to melt the sugar quicker. Put this over medium heat and melt. Move the saucepan to melt evenly. This can burn quickly, so please be careful and adjust the heat as you cook. I think the heat was too low. I turn the heat up a little and mix with a wooden spatula. Now it starts to color. You can stop when it is nice amber color. Please remember, it keeps cooking after you stop the heat. You dip a filled cream puff into the saucepan to coat the top. Please be very careful not to burn your fingers. Now you make the chocolate glaze. Chopped chocolate in a heat-proof dish, and you add butter. I kept both in room temperature so that they melt quicker. Microwave the mixture for 20 seconds at low power and stir it to check. If the chocolate is still solid, microwave another 10 seconds and check. Repeat until the mixture gets smooth. I'm also making white chocolate glaze. Exactly the same deal as the chocolate glaze. White chocolate and butter in a dish and microwave for 20 seconds at low power. Stir and check and repeat heating until it gets smooth. You use the back of a spoon to spread the chocolate glaze on the top of the filled cream puffs. Spread generously. If you like the chocolate to be hard, you can put them in the fridge for 30 minutes. Profiteroles are done. Next one is my absolute favorite, raspberry cream puffs. Cut a chou open like this. Fill it with the custard cream. And place some raspberries. And put the lid back on, and that's done. These were the 4 different ways to enjoy the choux pastry. Thank you for watching. See you next time.